Good day! In this video, I am going to teach you how to read Hindu-Arabic numerals and its corresponding words. I will be using a chart where I will point the number to read. At the end of this video, you will be answering 25 questions. Now, are you ready? This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. What number is this? The number is 1. What number is this? The number is 2. What number is this? The number is 3. What number is this? The number is 4. What number is this? The number is 5. What number is this? The number is 6. What number is this? The number is 7. What number is this? The number is 8. What number is this? The number is 9. What number is this? The number is 10. Now it's time to answer the questions. Always remember your score. This will determine how far you have learned the lesson well. Question number 1. What number is this? 6. Question number 2. What number is this? 4. Question number 3. What number is this? 2. Question number 4. What number is this? 7. Question number 5. What number is this? 9. Question number 6. What number is this? 5. Question number 7. What number is this? 1. Question number 8. What number is this? 10. Question number 9. What number is this? 4. Question number 10. What number is this? 3. Question number 11. What number is this? 8. Question number 12. What number is this? 7. Question number 13. What number is this? 6. Question number 14. What number is this? 3. Question number 15. What number is this? 2. Question number 16. What number is this? 5. Question number 17. What number is this? 9. Question number 18. What number is this? 7. Number 19. What number is this? 10. Question number 20. What number is this? 3. Question number 21. What number is this? 1. Question number 22. What number is this? 4. Question number 23. What number is this? 10. Question number 24. What number is this? 6. Question number 25. What number is this? 8. Congratulations! This ends our lesson for today. Be sure that you have to share this video. It is free for all the Filipinos.